Hello everyone, we are back today and we are going to be opening our Roofnest Condor roof tent.
So it's been a few days since we posted our installation video. We had to take a few days off after I got my wisdom teeth out and it's been raining, but today is the day. We are finally gonna open it up, see what it's like, and show you around. Let's get started. So from my understanding, the first thing we do is unlatch it and push up. All right.
Also, this is the first time we're doing this, so if we look really hesitant, that's why.
We wanted the authentic first time opening up our tent video. It's hot as heck. Oh, I'm scared. It should be 3 in a stack. Is that level?
No.
Okay, there we go.
And cut.
Okay, so we finally got the ladder down. Now we're gonna go inside and open up all the flaps and set up the tent poles. Woohoo, it's hot up here, holy crap. All right, first impression, nice and spacious.
Oh,
I don't know how long I can be in here, if I'm being honest. It's so hot.
Bro, I'm gonna need to change clothes after this.
After getting out of that tent, it feels like a cool winter day out here. Here's the poles. That's what we're gonna try.
I feel like an actual idiot.
No, it's okay.
Hold on, I gotta watch this again. Took a small break.
Back at it with the awnings.
I didn't realize like how much we have to set up and what we can like disassemble, for example. We'll show y'all, but there's a big hole on top that you can actually stand up out of, which is really cool, I think. So let's go try to actually install some of the awnings.
Right, it is rolled back. I don't know if it's properly rolled back, but it's rolled back. Got that out of the way. So now, let's set up the side awnings.
Yeah, we were messing it up because they're not straight, so the grooves in here aren't straight. They're actually to the side. So if we just have one person in the tent and one person outside of the tent, this should be pretty simple. Got it?
Yay. Okay, good.
So they give you a little shoe holder and you just slide it in through these little grooves right here. And there you go. There's a shoe holder, and then they gave us another one too. I'm assuming this is where you would put some of your items. Put this on instead.
Wow.
This is actually pretty nice. Maybe not right now because of how hot it is.
We're just making our mattress like soaked with sweat. There's actually a washable mattress cover on this. I would feel very safe in this tent.
Yeah, I would too, absolutely.
Compared to sleeping on the ground, and if there's another case of javelinas outside our tent like we had in Guadalupe National Park, then, you know, I'll feel safer up here. Thank you so much for coming along on this, how would we describe this journey? Realistic, sweaty learning experience.
Yeah.
The toughest part for us was the awnings. We now figured out how to install them at an angle, but hey, it's only up from here. Stay tuned, we have 8 days. 8 days until we depart and we take an adventure in this tent.
Long adventure.
If you are excited to see 2 suburb city kids learn and mess up more,
really get out of their comfort zone, you gotta follow along because this is gonna be an absolute mess of a trip, but it's gonna be probably the best time of our lives and probably one of the most memorable learning experiences of our lives too. So we're like really excited. Thanks so much for watching. We are at 422 subscribers, which is actually crazy the amount of support that we've had, and get ready for our adventure because it's gonna be a good one.
hopefully we'll see you on the road.
Bye.